If you want to make money without blogging, going to an office, or doing copy-paste tasks, it's easy. Just do some work, analyze a bit, and you can earn $100 to $200 each day without doing any other job. You don't have to spend any money for this work. If you want to make money using your phone without spending anything, just by sitting at home through a platform, then watch my video today. I'll teach you everything step by step. I'll show you how to earn money from home with the right plan and method. You won't have to worry about copyright problems, searching for content. I'll demonstrate how to smartly earn $100 to $200 daily using your phone without investing any money. If you're interested, let's get started. It involves a smart trick that many people have used to earn money. I'll show you the platform with proof. Do some research on your own, and you'll see how people are making money here. It doesn't matter where you live, what qualifications you have, or if you have any experience. I'll explain the whole method in this video. Start by going to googlemaps.com. Once there, zoom out and switch to the US. Choose a major city, like Mexico City. After selecting a city, a page will open. Now, at the top where the search bar is, look for something like a clothing store, bakery, pharmacy, shoe store, or any online stores. I'll use a bakery as an example. I'll research all the registered bakeries online through googlemaps.com. When I find one, I'll open it, and there will be a page with information. I'll scroll down, and importantly, you'll notice there's a website. An option is being made here, and below, there's a contact number. If I scroll, reviews and other information appear. I open another bakery, and there's another website address listed. Clicking on the website takes me to their official bakery website. Now, what you do is copy the address from here. After copying, paste that website link into the website called SEO and click on Analyze. When you analyze it, you'll see a score for this website, showing how strong it is. You can check all the items and critical issues. Out of 22, there are 7 critical issues. Currently, there's nothing in the recommended section, and in the good results section, there are 15 out of 22. After analyzing, it shows the mistakes and correct things on the website. It says the SEO title is okay, but the meta description is 213 characters long, which is too long, and images on the page have no alt attribute. The 2 below are marked as complete. It mentions that these are not complete, meaning the SEO is not done correctly. It doesn't just show the results, it thoroughly analyzes and tells about the mistakes and corrections on the website. You can see that the SEO is not complete, providing insights into the mistakes. They explain the reasons behind the low scores of these websites and why they are not strong. Now, what you need to do is find websites with scores less than 60 in a similar way. I've already mentioned one city. Similarly, target another city in the US. Let's say I go to Los Angeles. If I type bakery in the search bar, I can find all the bakeries registered online with Google API's data in Los Angeles. The data comes with their addresses, phone numbers, and other details. The goal is to identify websites with scores less than 60. After finding a bakery, I open it, and it takes me to their official website where I can see details and reviews. I copy the website link and paste it into the SEO analysis tool. Upon analyzing, this website also has a good score. Our aim is to find websites with scores less than 60. All these pages look well designed with good pictures, detailed information, and info about their company and affiliate programs. They provide contact details and other relevant information. Clearly, this website is well made. Our goal is to capturing websites like the one with a score less than 60. After selecting websites with scores below 60, check the details they provide about SEO mistakes, additions needed, critical issues, recommended changes, and good results. Once you understand these details, go to the top where the score is. Above the score, there's an option to download the report. Click on it and download the report. When you open the downloaded report, you'll find a detailed analysis, usually around 12 pages long. This report is generated with just one click, giving a complete overview. This report is well prepared and provides valuable insights into the website's SEO performance. By following this process, you can effectively check websites, focusing on those with scores below 60. The detailed reports give a deep understanding of their SEO strengths and weaknesses. This data-driven method ensures you prioritize websites that can benefit from your services. When you send this detailed report to a website owner, it creates a positive impression. It shows that someone has done thorough research and provided authentic information about their website. Now, your next step is to contact them. Send the complete SEO report and explain that their website's SEO needs improvement, which you can significantly enhance. Mention that you will strengthen their website, helping their business grow. However, you won't handle the back-end SEO as it's not your expertise. You are here to guide them. Get their contact details, including email and phone number. You can find this information in the contact section or on the map where you first discovered their website. Once you have their Gmail address, copy it and create an email. In the subject, mention that you are a website SEO expert and add attractive words to catch their attention. In the body, briefly introduce yourself, mention the improvements you can bring to their website, and express your interest in working together. End the email with a call to action, prompting them to respond or schedule a call to discuss further details. In your email, highlight your expertise as an SEO expert and stress that you can improve their website's SEO, leading to significant business growth. After explaining the benefits, use the Attach File option to send the downloaded 12-page SEO report you obtained earlier. This detailed report will showcase your authenticity and the thoroughness of your analysis. Mention that many U.S. businesses invest heavily in online methods because they understand the returns. When they realize the authenticity and quality of the data you've provided, they will likely be impressed and interested in improving their online presence. Convey that you are here to guide them in optimizing their website for better visibility and increased growth. In the United States, people readily spend money on websites and online methods, confident that they'll see returns. When you share these insights, they'll likely reach out to you. Many people are making money this way. Now, if you're wondering how to do SEO, no worries. When you talk to clients and they say, "Okay, handle my website's SEO," and agree on a rate that you want to charge for them, once the rate is settled, head over to Fiverr and search for website SEO. You'll find only 24,000 people offering these services, compared to 25 lakh people in logo designing and similar services globally. That's just 24,000 people providing website SEO on the world's largest freelancing platform. Now, your next step is to collaborate with freelancers offering services. Engage in conversations with 3 or 4 skilled freelancers who have reasonable rates. For instance, some may charge $500 while others only charge $85. Aim to connect with those in the $85 to $100 range. As you talk to them, share details about your website, especially if it's your client's website needing SEO, as we discussed earlier. The freelancer from Fiverr will then assess your website. After evaluating it, they'll provide feedback on its condition and estimate the cost. Negotiate a deal with them. If your client has questions, act as the intermediary and ask the freelancer on their behalf. Gather the answers and relay them to your client. This is the approach you should take. Secure SEO services for your website from a freelancer for approximately $84, then charge your actual client $500. The profit margin between the amounts you negotiate will be your earnings, adding to your online income. Many individuals without specific skills work as agents or middlemen. The clever tactics we discussed for website SEO can be applied to digital marketing, app development, website development, or any other job. Utilize these strategies. If you're wondering about receiving payments, PayPal is a simple solution. I trust you've grasped this method well. It's not complicated. Try it now. It's a unique approach not commonly found in content. Initiate your online earning journey. Once you start earning online, share your experience in the comments section.